Good morning, sweethearts. This is Red Hawk, your hostess with the mostest, coming to you live from Big Red, my Montero sport vehicle. Listen, I got this camera, will travel, will record. Waiting on mother right now to come down the street. She came down about 7 o'clock. Actually, it was 6:50 because Trey was leaving for school, and she's like she needs to go to the grocery store. Well, thankfully for mother, I've started a new routine where I get up every morning at 7 o'clock and get on a live conference call by some billionaire-minded people. And seeing that I'm a billionaire-minded person, hello, I'm there. Anyway, I'm really excited because I listened in on the call this morning. Actually, got the nerve to try to speak on the live call, but they ran out of time. But that's probably because I punched, punched the numbers too late too. Because I was sitting there shaking like a leaf, and to know that me, big mouth of the South and everywhere else, was sitting there shaking like a leaf, about to speak live on radio when I've been speaking live on the internet for past 2 years, probably 2.5 years now. But anyway, the call was about listening, telling your story, and then find the market. That's basically what I got out the call. Listening, telling your story, and then finding your market. So I got some homework to do. As a writer, as a speaker, I got everything I need to get what I need and want out of life. I just need to learn how to plug it in, and that's what I'm learning to do by listening in on these live conference calls. And mind you, live is like I'm there. So I can listen to the pre-recorded shows later, but I want to be there. You know what I'm saying? Because it's something about listening to something live. I mean, I'm sitting there tingling all over because I'm like, wow, this is for me. This is the third day that I've been on that call, and if anybody knows me, they know that the three is very powerful number in my life. So today is the third call that I listened to, and to me, that third call was what did it for me as far as putting me on the right track to what I need to do, and just listening to the speaker, which I believe his name was Andrew Morrison. Yes. So anyway, I just want to bring you all a little snippet this morning because I am up in it, which is unusual for me. Y'all know me. I'm laying in the bed until I have to get up. But obviously, I have to get up now because I've been getting up now for the past 3 days listening to these conference calls. And I am on the way to getting what's rightfully mine. I've worked very hard thus far. I was listening to the speaker, and he's like, I need doers. You know what I'm saying? I don't need folks coming up with excuses and this, that, and the other. Well, I'm not an excuser. I've been plowing the fields, busting ground, as my mama says, busting ground forever. So it's time to start building, and you can't build unless you got that foundation. And today I feel like I got the foundation to start building my empire, my queendom, mind you, my queendom. Anyway, why do I do this? I'm sorry, y'all. My vehicle is on. Well, I turn it on so that I can, let the windows down, and then I leave it on like I got a full tank of gas, which not. But anyway, so yeah, y'all gonna be getting a lot more of these impromptu videos also, because I did not buy this camera just fit to sit on the dresser and collect dust. I bought it so that I can talk to y'all, and so this is my morning talk to y'all. So morning talk, ooh, morning talk. That has a nice little ring to it. Morning talk. So anyway, yeah, I know I'm a wordsmith. I'm always putting words together, coming up with little stuff. But anyway, yeah, y'all see this notebook? I mean, today, y'all listen, look. I don't know if y'all can see all that writing. This is me taking notes this morning. I am a note taker, and I got stuff all over. I mean, I don't know what came first, what came second, except for what says 1, 2, and 3. Everything else is just like randomly threw on these papers. And notice I left my glasses on. I want to look smart today. Hello. I want to look intellectual. Anyway, as if the words coming out of my mouth isn't enough. But let me stop. But anyway, you know, I'm just learning to be myself, y'all. I mean, I listen at these other speakers and I'm listening to them and like the speaker this morning on the call, he had to stop himself a couple of times and I saw myself or heard myself in him, because that's me. Sometimes I gotta zip it up to keep from, you know, because everybody ain't gonna receive what comes out of your mouth. You know, people are just picky. Did she just say that? Yes, I did. You know, I had an ex who used to say, eat the good, spit out the bad. Swallow the good, spit out the bad. And that basically means, you know, take the good of what I'm saying. Hold on to it. What you don't like, throw it away. Simple as that, you know. And so, yeah. So anyway, mommy's coming down the street. And so I'm getting ready to turn this thing off, but just wanted to let you all know that your girl is up and at on my new routine, getting ready to turn some corners, as you all know I do. Turn these corners, y'all. But oh my God, let me see this, Grandma. I call my mama Grandma. This is her cane. Her sister bought her, mind you. Mama, I don't want to, you know, get her in trouble, but she rarely carries this, and I'm gonna tell you why. Because she doesn't feel like she needs it, and but it gives a nice little touch to her little swag, because she is a grandma, and a lot of grandmas carry their canes and stuff, but she really doesn't need it. What's the name of this thing?
Hurricane.
It's called the Hurricane. Hello, like, hurry up, and trust me, it don't make her hurry. It's so funny. She just slow motion like a little turtle, but it's cute though. You know, I walk fast and she walks slow, so I have to, you know, I got to get out of my racing car and get into on a tricycle to keep up with mommy. But I'm just playing. But sometimes she gets some get up and go though. But yeah, this is her hurricane that she doesn't use as often as her sister would like her to do, and I'm getting her in trouble now, but I don't care. But she doesn't feel like she needs it. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to get her to get one of those little mobiles, and she been to tow up everything in a 3-mile radius, including herself. We was at the grocery store. Oh, I gotta share this and then I'm gone, because I could go on forever. But we was at the grocery store and she had her hurricane, which makes her look, you know, like an invalid. But anyway, it really does make her look that way. But anyway, that's why she doesn't like to carry it. But anyway, she was walking with her hurricane, and there was a woman who I don't think needed to be on one of these things, but who am I? But anyway, she was riding in one of those little go-kart thingies that they have in the stores for the people that I've been seeing a lot of young, lazy people on. It's like, oh, you riding that because you big? Okay, you need to get off and exercise. I'm just saying, this is what I see. The young people on those things. That's for the elderly. But anyway, so this woman was on one, and she's like, excuse me, does she need this? I said, honey, no, because if she get on that, every car on this parking lot, I have a dent on it. She don't know how to drive it, you know what I'm saying? She don't drive anymore, but thank God. But anyway, I'm just putting her out there. I'm just playing. I know y'all cracking up. I'm sorry. I will make jokes at people's expense. I do apologize. But anyway, yeah, so mommy, this is her hurricane, and we're going to hurry up and turn these corners so I can get back and implement my lessons for today into my life. So just don't listen. Listen, learn, and do. Listen, learn, and do. And as a teacher, I am a teacher. Listen, I ain't got no qualifications except for the fact that I just do what I do. You know, no degrees, I don't need all of that. Because if you're doing it without it, then what? I mean, some people may want you to have a degree, but listen, if I can get away with it without that piece of paper, I'm going to do it. So there, why should I pay for education when I was born with it? Hello. But I will listen in on calls and all that stuff. I'm just saying, wasting money, I feel it's a waste of money for me. I ain't talking about for you. You might need a degree. You might need to go to school. But I'm the type of person, honey, the world is my teacher. Okay, my school, my this, my that. I don't need to pay for no education. Hello, open your ears, open your eyes, open your mouth. Anyway, let me go. Bye, y'all, because y'all know I can go on forever. Okay, oh God, I had to make sure this red light was on, because y'all know I am subject to be running my mouth, and there ain't even a red button in here, as I was saying. Anyway, peace, y'all. Have a great day, because I know I will. I'm planning on having a great day. I'll just say that. Peace, y'all. Bye. Oh, wow. I thought I turned it off. Good Lord. I need a